How to change language in Excel. Hello, everybody. Welcome back. If you guys are wondering how you can do that, you may follow up the steps in order to do so. So, first of all, you may just go ahead and open up your Excel document like this Excel document. Just go ahead and open it up in which you would like to change the language. So, right now, you can see mine is English. So if you want to change it into any other language, from this given interface, you can look out for this file option at the very top, right beside the home. So you may just go ahead and locate that up and open it up. Now from here, look out for the more option from your left hand and look for options. Open it up. And once you open up options, it will appear like this on your screen. So the next thing you can do is go over to language. And all you gotta do is simply add up a language in which you would like to change your official display language into. So we can find this option of add a language here. Click on it and then you may select up a language in which you would like to change it. So there are a bunch of languages given, so you can change it into any of you prefer. For example, Greek. So select that and click on install. After that, click on set as official display language and install. After that is done, you need to install Office language. So just go and click on OK. And then wait for this download to be completed completely. It may take a while for this to be downloaded. Just wait for it to be done. And once it is done, you need to save your work before continuing. Just click on continue and wait for this update to be applied. Close the app and go ahead and open up your Excel application again once everything is done. And when you go ahead and open it up, you should be finding the language being changed into your preferred language. So this is it. You may also follow the same process if you want to change your language on Excel. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.